In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram on Squarespace. Starting with the basics, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll find a login button which you need to click. Squarespace provides a variety of login methods, but for simplicity and convenience, we'll use Continue with Google. This option will prompt you to choose your Google account for a quick login process. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to focus on your website. You might have more than one Squarespace website, so make sure to navigate to the specific site you want to work on. Squarespace has made this step quite straightforward. There will be a visual representation of your sites once you're logged in, letting you choose which one to edit with a simple click. With your website selected, look for the Edit option. This is where the real work begins. Squarespace's editor is intuitive, so you should find yourself easily navigating through the next steps. Your objective now is to add a new block to your web page. To do this, search for the Add Block button. This action opens up a multitude of block options that Squarespace offers for various content types, ranging from text and images to more complex elements. However, our focus here is embedding Instagram content, so you'll want to click on Embed. Upon selecting the Embed option, you'll notice an edit icon appear. Click this to proceed. It's specifically designed to allow you to insert external content into your Squarespace site. This is where the magic happens. Now, you should have the Instagram post link that you wish to embed handy. If not, take a moment to go to Instagram, find the post and copy its link. Once you have your link, paste it into the designated field within the Squarespace embed block. It's an easy step but crucial for displaying your Instagram content. Finally, all that's left is to click Save. This action will apply and save all the changes you've made, effectively embedding your chosen Instagram post into your Squarespace website. Just like that, you've achieved a seamless integration of dynamic social content within your site. Before we conclude, let's go over some quick tips. Remember to preview your website after embedding Instagram posts to ensure everything looks as expected. This can help you catch any potential layout issues or errors in the embed process. Also, consider the placement of your Instagram embed within your page. Make sure it aligns well with your overall website design and content strategy. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Embedding Instagram posts into your Squarespace site can enhance its appearance, engage visitors, and even increase your social media exposure. Happy designing!